What a nice relaxing day. Just the 5 of us. Me, my 3 friends, and this long freight train. Kinda nice day. How's it going back there? Kinda good. Just got a text from 4059 to see how we're doing. I said, I texted, we were doing fine. Okay then. Can we shut up? I'm trying to read. Okay. Further down the line. What a nice early morning. Just the 8 of us. Me, my 6 friends, and this one freight train. How's it going back there, guys? What about you, 997? Just have to fear that we're gonna crash into another train. Oh my god, 997. We've done this 3 times. And you're doing it again? We're gonna have to stop. What about train cars? Oh my god, you better shut up. I'm not shutting up. Well, you started it. Okay, if you do that again, I'm gonna turn this train around. Back down the line? Wait. You wanted to check? Curbing. What the? A light? Wait, I think we're gonna hit another train. Oh my god, you're right! I gotta be stopping the road! We're gonna hit another train! Oh my god, the light is moving! We're gonna hit another Oh my god! Dad, this is the worst train wreck I've ever been in my whole entire life! Well, is everybody okay? Yes, I think so, except the boxcar just ran into my eye! Uh-oh! After the mess was cleaned up. Well, guys, I guess I'm the only one that's seen the total loss. Well, I really love you, 5473. I'm gonna miss you. Goodbye. Goodbye, 47. 59! I love you too. Goodbye, Grow World! What the heck is all that about? It's me.